Hey everyone! Welcome back to English with Yasin, the place where learning English becomes fun and easy. Today, we're diving into real English conversations.
Why did you go home early yesterday?
I left early because I was sick.
Well, since you were not here, I can't pay you.
I understand, although I did work from home.
Oh, you did.
Yes, I could show you my work.
So, if you were the boss, what would you change about the company?
Well, first, I would let people work from home.
I would like that. What else would you change?
I would also let employers set their own schedule.
I would love that. What hours would you work?
It would change day by day. If the weather was nice, I would work at night.
And if the weather was bad?
Then I would work during the day. What about you?
I'm not sure. Maybe I would do the same.
See? Things would be better around here if I were the boss.
Who is this party for?
Tim, he's the guy who I was telling you about.
Refresh my memory. Is he the guy who opened the new cafe?
No, that's Larry. He's the guy who just moved into the house down the street.
Oh, the house that has that huge garage.
Yes, that's the house. And that's the guy.
What is your hobby?
Hiking. I go hiking every month with my friends.
Oh, that is great. Hiking is such good exercise.
What about you? What do you enjoy doing in your free time?
Well, I don't like leaving the house, so I usually stay home.
Oh, what do you like doing then? Watching movies?
No, I like being outside, so I enjoy gardening.
Oh, it sounds like we both like being in nature.
I love the spring because the weather's so cool.
I do too. But I don't like rainy weather, and it always rains a lot.
Yeah, and I sometimes get allergies.
Me too. Although it hasn't been bad this year.
Yeah, not so much. I think it's because of El Nino.
Maybe. Although who knows?
Are we still playing soccer tomorrow?
Yes, I hope so. We'll play as long as the weather's nice.
Will we play if it rains?
If the rain is not too heavy, we will play.
Okay. And if it is?
If it is, I'll check with the others and let you know if we cancel the game.
Sounds good. Thanks. Can I use the conference room tomorrow?
Sure, as long as it is not booked.
What should I do if it is?
If it's booked, you can use the lecture hall.
Oh, that is too big, I think.
Well, the conference room might be free. I'll check and let you know if it is. If it isn't, what should I do?
If it's booked, then I will wait until it is free. The lecture hall is too big.
Okay, I'll get back to you soon.
Great. Thanks.
So, how is the diet going?
Not good. It is so hard to lose weight.
I know, it is never easy to stick to a diet.
Also, I am very busy, so it is hard to find time to exercise.
Well, don't give up. You can do it.
That's easy for you to say. You never gain weight.
I saw that you had a meeting with Jason.
Yes, he wanted to discuss the budget.
Yeah? What did he say about it?
He expressed that we are spending too much.
Well, I hope he does not cut the budget.
I doubt he will do that.
Do you like learning English?
I do, but I don't like studying grammar.
Yeah, learning grammar is not easy.
Speaking is fun, though. I love speaking in class.
What about writing?
I don't enjoy writing that much.
I agree. Writing is boring.
What about vocab? Do you like learning vocabulary?
It depends. I like using some apps to learn vocabulary.
Me too. I like playing vocab games on my phone.
Can I use your iPad?
Yeah, sure. It's over there.
Can I use it to record a short video?
Sure. What are you filming?
Well, even though I am a terrible cook, I'm making a cooking video for my son.
Fun. Since you're doing that, can I be in it too?
Sure, as you wish.
Hey, Joe is flying in tomorrow. Can you pick him up at the airport?
Sure. What are his flight details?
I'm not sure. I wrote them down somewhere.
When you find it, can you email it to me?
Will do. Oh, and when you pick him up, don't mention his divorce.
Got it. I won't bring it up.